Hello friends, my name is Arjun and today I'll explain Vedic mathematics. Example 1 is 6, 4, 5, 6. Multiply by 9, 9, 9, 9. So in the traditional way, we will always multiply in the 9 multiply 9, then right here, then plus, and then the answer will come. But in Vedic mathematics, it's very easy. So, subtract 1 in this number. So, it will become 6455. Now, subtract 9,999 in the normal way, like we do. Like 9,999, 6455. So, the answer will be 3, 5, 4, 4. Now we will put this in the sums end and this in the start. So the answer will be, the answer is 6, 4, 5, 5. And this will be in the end. So 3, 5, 4, 4. So the answer is this. So this is the answer. So 6456 multiplied by 9999 is answer is 64553544. So the answer of 6456 and 9999 is 645534544. So let's take the example 2. The example 2 is 7978 multiplied by 9999. So again, we will minus 1 in this number. So it will be 7977. Like same in the example 1, we will do minus again. And so now I will subtract 9999 in 7977. So 9999. Now 7977. So it will be 2 and this will be 0, this will be 2 and 2. So I will put this in the end and put this in the start. So the answer will be 7978 999 equals to 7977 and now this 2022. So the final answer is this. There are more Vedic mathematics tricks, but for today, this all is enough. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.